Guys, good morning. I wanted to tell you guys about my weight loss story. So about 2 years ago, I started training with a trainer. McDonald, he's a fitness trainer, a former student athlete, and an influencer online. So he's like one of my good friends, and he started to teach me how to lose weight. Hi Marie. So he started to teach me how to lose weight, and today I'm finally gonna tell you guys what I've been doing to lose weight. This is a true story. A lot of it was just surrendering to what my body wanted to do. So I want to start with first thanking McDonald and Louis for helping me on my health journey, because I didn't know where to start. I was literally like 300 pounds and I didn't know where to start. You know, you get into depression when you're overwhelmed with just like you have to solve a problem and you don't know where to start to solve the problem. That's where I was. And McDonald, he saw something in me and was like, you know what, I know if you have the discipline to do this, you're gonna lose a lot of weight. So I was like, okay. So the first thing he did, now this is a disservice to him, hey girl, but the first thing he did was give me this tea. Y'all, I've never talked about this tea because I didn't know there was so much going on behind this tea. But I took ISO tea. Now, at the time, they didn't have the CBDT. So today, I'm here to talk about the CBDT. But they had the normal tea. And he would give it to me for free. At the time, you had to brew your own pack. And it was like $20 or something per pack. But he gave it to me for free because we were training together. I did his social media. I helped him get a lot of the deals that he got when it came to Netflix and stuff like that. So we just were bartering. And so what that did was it didn't help me see the opportunity in the tea. And it's crazy because I lost a ton of weight dealing with McDonald in the first 6 months. I think I lost like 45 pounds. And I didn't know that the tea was something that was helping a lot more people than myself. I just thought my friend was giving me this free tea, and that was that. So I lost a total of 90 pounds. And I even have friends that still give me the tea. So I've never had to actually invest in my own tea. But thank God for my sister Ceresia's World. Y'all check her out, CERESIA World. She sponsored me and bought this tea for me again. So once again, the universe have been giving me this tea for free. Hey Marie, girl, you might want to join my team because I'm about to come through the roof. I have an announcement at the end of this video, so please keep watching. So the reason I like this tea now is because of the hemp extract. Y'all see that? The hemp extract means I get to be a part of the CBD industry with this tea. But not only that, I really did lose 90 pounds. So if you guys look at my before and afters on Instagram, you're going to see I lost the weight, no cap. I did work out, of course, with a trainer. First it was McDonald, then it was Latasha being my trainer. So you found about it on Coach Stormy? Yeah, I'm under Coach Stormy because my sister signed us up under Manaya. So my sister sponsored me. She believed in my influence so much. And she didn't even know I was taking this tea a year ago. So my sister was like, I'm buying you the tea. It's coming to your house in 2 days, right? So, yes, Coach Stormy, exactly. So my sister bought me this tea. And what y'all going to do today is I'm going to make another bottle. You need half a bottle of water for 1 pack of tea. And this has been my bread and butter. So for y'all who came to my vision board and brunch yesterday, I took this to really get through it in terms of energy because, you know, I've had at least 2 events every single week this year. And I know we only like 3 weeks into the year. And I've had so many events on top of running my own business, on top of running my client's business, that I really need more energy. I've never had a multivitamin. I never had anything to stimulate my own immune system. So when my sister also sent me this has, I think it has over 72 herbs and minerals. And for someone like me who's losing weight, I need to replenish all the things that I'm purging out of my system. So when she gave me this, you guys, it literally changes the energy I have with all the business that I do. And sometimes when you're on go mode 24/7, you don't know that you're drained. You don't know because you're just going. And for me, I found myself catching little codes that I never caught because I'm constantly in front of people, constantly making an impact, constantly pushing their brands and my brand. So I was like getting really depleted. And so I thank God for Ceresia. This is my sponsor. She bought this and sent it straight to me. And because she knows that I'm influential, she wants me to share my story. And I realized I've lost this 90 pounds. I never told y'all what I did. I never gave any props to anything outside of my mindset. But my mindset is actually what attracts these opportunities to me effortlessly and for free. So the first thing I'm going to do on camera is I'm going to make the nutraburst. So the nutraburst, you can actually take 1 shot of this or 2. I like taking 2, and y'all, when it hits you, your whole vibe changed, like legit. I like when you're really drained, you don't notice that all the toxins, all the parasites in your body make you depressed. So when they tell us, oh, you're just depressed because your neural pathways, you're depressed because you have toxins and you have, my puppy's staring at me like, who is she talking to? But when your neural pathways are being attacked by toxins and by low frequency vibrations in your body. So for me, I felt like my energy, my mindset has shifted when I take this. Like legit, y'all, I get really, really excited. So I'm about to take a shot right now. Let's get into it. So as y'all can see, all you do is pour it in here. It's about 2 tablespoons when you fill up the little cup. So I'm about to fill up this cup. Now, for all of y'all who already sell it and who, y'all, no one really tried to sell it to me directly. But don't get mad at me, okay? I did not buy this. God came through the roof and worked through my sister. And my sister, Seracio's World, signed me up with her own money and sent it to me. But like I said, I already believed in these products. I just didn't know how to buy them because I always had friends who gave it to me. So God has really been speaking through me to use these products. And now it's my calling to share it with y'all. So I'm going to take my shot. Whew. Just so y'all know, this tastes really good for me. Maybe because I feel malnourished. This feels super, super good. And it makes me feel really, really energized. Like I said, no cap, I'm so serious. When you run multiple businesses, you need something that's going to give you energy. Not faux energy like coffee. Coffee give you like a little bit of energy. This gives you holistic, nutrient-based energy. So I take that. And I wish I had scissors. I might have some. I might have to get it. But this is the CBD extract tea. Now, I knew a lot about CBD. I have a lot of friends that own their own CBD companies, and they're making millions of dollars right now, period. And unless you have capital, you're not going to get into the CBD industry because you need, all the licenses, the approvals, the government information. You need so much to get into it on top of capital. I don't have that right now, and I know a lot of y'all don't have it either, but you can actually profit through just sharing this tea. And like I said, I lost 90 pounds on this tea. So I want to thank McDonald Jean Louis for sharing ISO tea with me. And I also want to thank my sister for sponsoring me directly with this tea. Like I said, for y'all who try to sell it to me, I'm sorry. My sister came through and bought all the products and sent it right to my house. So actually, I'm blessed once again with good people in my corner who care about my health. So I take 1 tea in the morning, 1 tea in the afternoon. It's afternoon because I low-key was tired from yesterday. Yesterday was lit. We had my vision board and brunch. Hey, Daniel. We had my vision board and brunch, and every woman that came out, the vibe was good. The synergy was good. We had 3-course brunch with shrimp and grits, stuffed croissants with eggs and turkey bacon and cheese. And we had fruits. We had kale salad. So thank you, Trendy Gourmet, for your amazing catering services. Everyone loved what you did. And then we meditated. We got our mind right yesterday. And it takes a lot when you're a leader of a group and you're standing there and you're expressing yourself to multiple people at one time. You have to be on go. You have to have a high frequency. So the first thing I did yesterday was I took this, and I also took this, and then I'll get into the last thing I took, but it really helped me get through the day. And so today is another day, so I got to get my CBD on. So not only am I going to show y'all how I take these products, I'm going to give you guys something, because I always add value everywhere I go. So I'm going to give you guys something. First, I'm going to get these scissors, because I literally need to cut this open. And welcome to my guest room, y'all. I don't ever do lives. Welcome to my guest room. This is my vision board room. As y'all can see, I got all my vision board stuff up. So yesterday I made a new vision board. I haven't made one in like maybe 4 years. So everything in this room is from 4 years ago. So this is my tea. I have half a bottle of water. Y'all, I lost 90 pounds off this tea, no cap. So I'm here. I surrendered to the call, and I'm being obedient since my sister wanted to buy me a whole new set. I'm really amped about the CBD because the more clients I get, the more responsibility I get, the more anxiety I get. Because when you love what you do and you're responsible and people hold you accountable for what you got going on, you feel stressed. You feel like, oh my God, I have to perform. I have to do well. I have to hit these target numbers. I have to hit these sales goals. So what happens is you get anxiety. At least I get anxiety. So the reason, not only does this tea help me lose weight, but the extract from the hemp really does calm me down with my anxiety. I promise y'all. So I put it in there. Now, this is real easy. I told y'all I used to have to brew this for $20. I used to have to go brew it, get a whole bunch of fresh water, and then secure it and save it. This is easy because I can be on the go. Shake it up. Done. So what I do, because this is at room temperature, because I drank some of it earlier, what I do, because I like it real cold, is I put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes, and then it just tastes like an Arizona tea. Y'all know them Arizona teas for like $1? That's what it tastes like. So I love it. Like, I really have no complaints. Bloop. And for y'all, for women who notice, I don't have no makeup on. So what I'm really looking forward to now that they have the CBD is like my little hyper pigmentation areas. I want them to be vibrant. But I feel like for a girl with no makeup on, I'm doing good because I've already been on the normal tea, not the CBD tea. So now that you guys have watched me do that, for you guys who are watching right now, I want you to comment a heart in the actual comment section, because I'm about to give away some stuff. But don't do it just yet. The first thing I'm going to do is give away a sample. So in this sample of the ISO tea, this is the normal tea. This is not the hemp tea, because hemp is actually a lot more expensive because it's CBD than normal. So I'm going to give you guys a pack for almost, I would say this is about 2 days worth of this tea for free. Usually this does have a value, I think, of like $20, or because people do sell them $5 a piece. So this is $20 value. For whoever's interested, DM me. I will be giving away a sample today. If you're in West Palm, it's even better because then there's no shipping for me. So if you want to try this tea for free, I got you, sis or bro, because I really did lose 90 pounds on this. And then this is something I took yesterday because I've never had this before. McDonald's never gave it to me. And so this came with what my sister sent me. You get 3 days worth of NRG. Now, like I said, these are the pills right here, 3 days worth. Like I said, I was taking this pill yesterday because I had to be high frequency. I had to be on. I had to be performing. And you don't even know you're missing energy until you have it. I don't even know how to describe that to you. It just is what it is. So when you start to get energy, your whole life changes. So what I'm going to do right now is do what I actually came here to do outside of showing you these amazing, amazing products. Like, I've never told anyone how I lost this weight, but here we are. So what I'm going to share with you guys, now that you stayed this long, is that I will be giving away $500. Y'all heard that right. I'm going to be giving away $500 to a woman that buys this product from me. This product from me. You have until February 1st to get your products, because we're going to have a 30-day challenge. And this 30-day challenge, you have to take these products once a day, NRG shot in the morning, at least one tea during that day. You have to show that you are working out, walking, yoga, something. Show us something for 30 days straight. And whoever has the best transformation will win $500. So whoever has the best transformation gonna win $500. So y'all get lit, because I'm serious. I told my sister, since she sponsored me, and since God has been putting this in my life and in my awareness and helping me lose weight all the time, every time I have a friend that offers it to me for free, I've seen results. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just answer to the calling. I'm going to be obedient. I'm going to make sure I share this with as many women as possible. So y'all will have the next 7 days from today to the 1st of February to join and buy 2 products. The nutraburst. Y'all see that? The nutraburst and this. You have to buy these 2 to join. It doesn't have to be just from me. You can buy from anybody you know to join, because I want all women to win. I want everybody to win. And then from there, in 30 days after seeing your results, whoever has the best results, y'all better go in and you're going to win $500 cash. I'm going to cash app you right then and there. So to start with, if anybody wants these for free, I'm going to give away 2 winners. Y'all DM me and I will meet up with you and give you these for free. 3 days of NRG and 2 days of ISOT. And then you have 7 days to join so that you can win $500. That means that when you join this giveaway, you're going to win your money right back, period. I think for these 2 items, I paid like $100 for these 2 items. So you're going to get 5 times that back if you win this giveaway, okay? So I'm so thankful, like I said, to my sister. Now, this is my real sister. This ain't like, oh, your sister. Like, my real blood, grew up, same mama, sister, decided that she was going to sponsor me and give me these products. So, seriously, thank you so much. I believe at 8 p.m. tonight, I will be dropping all of the details on how to enter officially into the $500 giveaway. And you just make sure that you check out the links in my bio if you're ready to lose weight, too. My intention is for people who are in the West Palm area, so that you can actually join us, work out with us, and thrive from these products, because I think it's my responsibility as somebody who lost a lot of weight to share these products, and not only these products, but any products that help me. You know what I'm saying? Because I think all melanated people need to be well. So you guys, ask me any questions you want. DM me. I'm finally launching what helped me lose weight, and I am giving away these 2 samples. So I'll see you guys on February 1st, and tonight all the giveaway details and flyers will be released so that you can join and win $500 for taking these products for 30 days. Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday. Hey Marie, thank you for watching, boo.